See this question. You have to prove cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. How LHS is equal to RHS? First, we will go through LHS. So, from LHS, from LHS, so directly I am solving this part. Will you write cosec A just like this 1 by sin A? Because the reciprocal of cos A is equal to 1 by sin A, and write sin A as usual. Now sec A can be written 1 by cos A, because 1 by cos A is equal to sec A, and write cos A as usual. So here one, so here one as denominator. What will the LCM of sin A and 1? Sin A. Okay, divide sin A in sin A. Divide by sin A in sin A, so we will get 1, and multiply 1 in this one, so we will have 1 only, and this will be what? Sin A square A. How? Divide by 1 in sin A, so we will get sin A, and then multiply the result of sin A in numerator sin A, so we will have sin A square A. Now same thing you have to do. Find the LCM of cos A and 1. It is what? Cos A. Now 1 minus cos square A. Apply the same rule in this according to this. It's not too hard. Think of this. What will be? Do you know 1 minus sin A square is equal to cos square A? Write this sin A into 1 minus sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A by cos A. Cancel this cos A and cos square A, so here will be left cos A, and sin square A and sin square A will be cancel out, so we will have only sin A. So now we have what? Sin A into cos A. Here is sin A and here is cos A, and multiplication sign is present in mid part of these terms. So sin A and cos A, we will get sin A and cos A. Now we will go now solve from RHS. RHS. It's not too hard a question. Hope you are able to understand the solution of this question. I don't write RHS part. Directly I am solving this. So 1 by, do you know the formula of tan A? Tan A will be written like this. Sin A by cos A plus cot A will be written like this. Cos A by sin A. Okay. Now write this one numerator part, and what is the LCM of cos A and sin A? Sin A into cos A will be LCM of cos A and sin A. You have to solve this, and you will get like this: sin square A plus cos square A. Many students might have problem. Many students may have problems. So let me teach you again. The LCM of cos A and sin A will be sin A into cos A. This is your what? LCM. Divide by cos A in this LCM part, in this numerator part. So cos A and cos A will be cancelled out. You will have only sin A, and this sin A will be multiplying sin A. So you will get sin square A. Same. Divide by sin A in this LCM part, then you will have cos A, and then multiply this cos A in numerator cos A. So you will have cos square a. And do you know the formula? Sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. So you will have like this 1 by 1 by sin a into cos a. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I write here 1 and solve this part. What will be? Right. So this one here and this is your division part. So write here multiplication and this is your numerator and this is your denominator. So this denominator will be numerator like this. Sin a into cos a by 1 is equal to sin a into cos a is equal to r is equal to LHS. What is equal to LHS? So we proved like this. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RH is proved. Still, if you have problem, then you can comment. You can ask, sir, I have problem. Really, I am unable to understand, sir. So, really, I will tell you. Okay. So, thank you.